Hello friends, I welcome to all of you on my second lecture on the topic network theory. So today I am going to discuss about nodal and mesh analysis. If you have not seen my first lecture, please go there and see them. Then then come back and see this lecture, because if you are not able to see first lecture, then I don't think you will understand this topic. So in this lecture I am going to discuss nodal and mesh analysis. So dear friend, what is the nodal analysis? What is the nodal analysis we have to discuss first. Here you can see there are two basic methods that are used for solving any electrical network, that is nodal analysis and mesh analysis. So nodal analysis and mesh analysis is basically used to solve any electrical network. Through that method we can measure current or voltage, current in branch and voltage at node. So in nodal analysis we will consider the node voltage with respect to the ground. Hence nodal analysis is also known as node voltage method. So dear friends, suppose we have a circuit. This is our circuit. This is another resistor. This is current source R1, R2, R3. I current is flowing. Suppose we have a circuit. In this circuit, first we have to find out principal nodes. So what is the principal nodes? As discussed earlier, principal nodes means where more than two branches are meeting. Means here this is the one principal node and this here second principal node. So here we have to consider ground, because all are short to each other, so we have to consider ground. And here we have considered voltage V1. So we have to find out V1. How we can find out V1? That method is known as nodal analysis. So I am going to discuss that. Suppose first what you will assume, you will assume that the current is going outside this node in all branches. I am assuming like that. That means this V1 is greater than other voltage source. So what will current here? V1 minus V divided by R1. Okay, according to Ohm's law. So at node 1 we will apply KCL. What does mean of KCL? Kirchhoff current law. Kirchhoff current law. According to Kirchhoff current law, the incoming current equal to outgoing current. But at node 1 you can see there is all or outgoing current. So we will add them and put equal to 0. So what will be current here in this direction? V1 minus V divided by R1. V1 minus V divided by R1 plus what will current in direction? V1 minus 0 divided by R2. V1 minus 0 divided by R2 plus what is the current of here? Here already one current is flowing I, but direction of I is opposite to the assuming direction, so it will be minus I equal to 0. So if I will put 5 ampere and R1, R2, R3 will be 1 ohm, so what will be the value? What will the value of V1 minus here 5 volt, assume V1 minus 5 divided by 1 plus V1 by 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So here from here we can calculate 2V1 equal to 11. So V1 equal to 11 by 2. This is the voltage, that is equal to 5.5 volt. So V1 equal to 5.5 volt. So through this method is known as nodal method. Through nodal method we can calculate node voltage. After calculating node voltage we are able to calculate this current and this current. This current is already given, so this current will be 5.5 minus 5 5.5 minus 5 divided by 1 ohm equal to 0.5 ampere. What is the current here? 5 minus 0 divided by 1 ohm, that is 5 ampere. Okay, so these are the current we can calculate in this method. Now next part we will discuss about mesh analysis. So what is the mesh analysis? Let me write here. Mesh analysis. What is the mesh analysis? Basically, suppose we have loops, and in loops we have to find out first mesh, and we are assuming there are I1, I2, I3 in particular mesh current we have to assuming, and applying KCL in that loop. Like suppose I am taking one example. Suppose this is a voltage 2 volt. There is a resistor 1 ohm, another voltage that is 1 volt. Now again I am taking another volt here. How much? 5 volt. Now according to mesh law we have to assume current in particular mesh. Suppose current is flowing in this mesh is I1 and current in this mesh is I2. Now we will apply KVL in particular mesh. So what will be the here KVL? We will move from here and till here. So first we are facing negative terminal of 2 volt. So we will write minus 2 volt. Now here current is entering in 1 ohm resistor. So entering point is positive, leaving point is negative. So my plus 1 into I1. Okay, again negative of 1 volt minus 1 equal to 0. So from this method we are able to calculate I1 equal to 3 ampere, sorry, 3 ampere, because this is current, not the voltage. 3 ampere. Now again we can apply KVL in this loop. We are able to getting I2. So plus 1 volt plus 1 into I2, this is minus 5 actually, minus 5 equal to 0. So I2 equal to 4 ampere. So this is called mesh analysis. So mesh and nodal analysis are two methods through which we are able to calculate node voltage or branch currents. So in this lecture till we will stop till here. Later in other lecture I will discuss about network theorem. So wait for third lecture. Thank you for being here.